How's it going, guys? Indiana John here. Got another tutorial for you, and this one is a beginner tutorial, but it's on kind of an intro to a harder move. So there's, as you all know, there are vertical aerials, but there are also horizontal aerials. Oops. You know, ones where they flip flat like that. So this is pretty much just a really easy way to get into doing horizontal aerials, because you know it's not as straightforward as just swinging it and tossing it, you know. So there's a fun little opening where it starts out kind of like a reverse zero gravity thumb chaplain. So it looks like this. That wasn't very clean, but oops. Pretty much like that. So you kind of start on a safe handle, swing it out, swing it back to your thumb, as if you're doing, you know, a chaplain, but you kind of pop it open. Oops. All right, let's switch knives. This is better. So you're gonna boom like that. All right, and you can do the same thing to close it, except that's a little harder. So one more time, it's off the safe handle, out, back to your thumb, and then you're going to kind of use your pinky to separate the bite handle from the blade as it's coming around. Anyways, and eventually you can do it more as an aerial. And you sort of get the idea of how to toss that. I think that's pretty much it. You can also do like a double roll out into it, into just, you know, horizontal aerials, wrist bumps, stuff like that. Oops. Yeah. You got any questions? Let me hear them in the comments, and have a good one, guys.